Thank you for your interest in Synergix ERP software. Today, I would like to walk you through our manufacturing dashboard and a workflow diagram of all the modules well suited for your company. What you are seeing now is a manufacturing dashboard whereby each and every user can personalize their dashboard based on the information they would like to see, as well as their access rights to this information. So at one glance, users are able to see their assets overview and its utilization rate, so that if the machine utilization rate is low, you know that you are able to bring in more jobs or schedule some ad hoc production jobs. Users can also see the daily work order schedule, whereby the dashboard will show you what are the work orders planned for each machines on that day. Other than that, there is also a calendar view to show users all the planned upcoming work orders for the whole week. Okay, so in the case that there are urgent jobs, users can easily see which are the jobs which are not so urgent, and users can choose to adjust the job orders inside the system. So referring to this workflow diagram, Synergix actually provides a fully integrated manufacturing solution, starting from the sales modules to the production modules, which also includes the material requirement planning to plan your raw materials for production, the machine capacity planning to see if you have enough capacity to carry out this production job, the inventory modules, procurement, logistics, and everything is linked to the finance modules. So actually, we have over 25 modules readily available for your usage, and we also do have optional add-on modules such as the payroll, e-leave, timesheet, staff appraisal, customer relationship management, QA/QC for quality assurance and quality control, warranty servicing, integration with RFID, MES, and so on. So if you wish to understand further, feel free to reach out to us. See you!